What is that guy doing?
And then there were all these cops on the side of like a more residential road, and so
pedestrian with right of way. This guy's not stopping at flashing yellow, is he? No, no. What? What?
Bro, they're stopped.
Who?
The cow over.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know.
It's not gonna go.
I guess the seal is tightening and there's like no water.
Okay.
I've been keeping track because I've got a towel under it, and then on the other side that was actually dripping before, I put my trash can, and so it's basically completely dry.
Cool.
Yeah, so like it's basically saturated the ceiling of other place. They came home today, and like all their furniture and everything's wrapped in plastic.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Yeah, no, this is my lane. You get in the right lane.
I bet you never do, but now you know I'm the undisputed king of this.
North Carolina, Maryland Bears leading Panthers 10-3. Nick Foles with a touchdown pass. Atlanta, a 10-6 lead in Minneapolis. Matt Ryan, a TD pass.
Giants lead the Skins 10-3. Dietz and Watson, 80 years of handcrafted Philly family flavor. Dietz and Watson is.
There's little the Eagles can do.
Game clock operator, please check game clock for 1 minute 54 seconds.
I guarantee you can't do that.
So me go so then. Well, I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want to.
I've been waiting here for so long.
home and idling my head down. All I seem to think about you. How you make me want. Come and gone. I know you.
Oh no!
Be careful. Coming out of Baltimore, I-97 south, before being able to run exit 16, crash now shouldered, so your lanes are open. Accident activity on the plate has 225 Hawthorne Road, out near Marshall Corner Road, alternating.
Scene of the crash. Closure of
Damn, well, you
Dorsey
got
Road
into
up
this
near
lane to slow
Telegraph Road
down
in Hanover, and Arundel County authorities are there. Tree limbs down in the roadway Columbia along Broken Land Parkway
kidding me?
between the Telegraph line intersections. 50 westbound in...
You're not really gonna pass this month, though, are you? That is so crazy.
Estimated time in traffic, 8 minutes.
Truck almost just destroyed that fuel. Oh my god, he just ran 3 people onto the shoulder. What the f... Whoa, jeez. Man, that's crazy, man. You had all that time. Wow. That is so dumb. Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? What in the hell did she just do? Wow.
Turn right.
You really thought that was a good idea? Oh man. You're joking, right? You think I can get through there?
And that's what he does so well, but I think it's a little bit, is he short? No, he hasn't.
Well, but when he breaks the pocket, that's why you want to make sure that all the lanes are...
Oh my god. I mean, they had to have been going 70 miles an hour. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 cars. 7 cars. I mean, how do you guys keep doing this? Really despicable. They pitted him. Pitted him into another car. Jesus Christ. Whoa! I bet you a Mustang tried to accelerate right here and lost it.